Hi guys, it's Danny from Inglorious Fishing. It's currently the 29th of December and we're going out to go and do a little bit of bream fishing with Drucey. Drucey's just arrived over there. I'm going to start making my way down to the boat, open up the gate and stuff like that, and then yeah, get on the boat, head out there, and hopefully we can hit into a few bream. Drucey's got some scallop reels, some ormer guts and some razor fish, so hopefully we do you the business, guys. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and here we go. Let's go and do this, guys. Yeah boy. So guys, just started fishing. Drucey's got a fish on. We're getting bites. It's not very nice off here. Quite rough, to be honest. But Drucey's got a fish. And we're just using feathers and scallop reels. Nice bream there, Drucey. We're after pop bait at the moment, so that's a nice one. Oh, double shot. Double header. Double shot. Hold them onto the camera, lover. Check them out. Beautiful set of bream. Oh, and I missed mine.
Which means we put a bit of bream on?
Yeah. Anyway, we go up for another one, hopefully we can get some more. So guys, we come up for another one. I don't know if you can hear the wind noise. I've got the wind slayer on, but it is absolutely... Fish on! Have I got him? Oh, I think he came off. He come off. Had a bite then. Yeah, the wind's absolutely flying through here. We're freezing. You got fish on, Drew?
Scared.
Keep getting the bites and they keep not dropping on them. Keep stripping me, guys. There we are, fish on. Now we've got one on. He took it, Druce. Good one. Can't beat that, guys. Bream fishing. It might be cold, but we're still catching fish. Oh, bad little bream, that's beautiful for the pot. Fantastic. Druce has got another nice one. Right guys, we're going to get these baited up. There's loads of markings underneath us, so we're definitely going to get some more. Okay, well guys, we just dropped down, just hit the bottom, so hot bite. We have bites then. Oh, I missed it. You in already? Drucey's in already. Good. There we are. Fish on.
Commodore Trevor, Guernsey VTS. Guernsey VTS, Commodore Trevor. Trevor VTS, it's just some traffic information, so you can see the Amy Blue local fishing vessel. She's on the Great Bank, she's currently fishing at this time.
Got that, guys?
Yes, that's on copy, yes, we've got on the radar, yeah, it's on our track. Thank you much.
Go straight back down. We're going to hit the good spot in a minute. Got a bit of water on the camera. Fish underneath us. Loads of markings on the sounder, guys. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh guys, Drucey's got a fish on. Nice fish, Druce? Or a double up? You reckon two little babies, is it? That's a nice one. Lovely little bream. Let's go back up for another drift. So guys, right for another drift. It's absolutely freezing. When I say freezing, I can't feel my fingers. So we ain't going to be out here much longer. It's going to be a short video, that's for sure. I know I need bait as well, but it is what it is. It's absolutely freezing. Absolutely freezing. That wind, it's hitting us right in the hands, and as you can see, my hands are all red and like curled up. I look like that guy of Scary Movies. Take my strong hand. Another one. Fish on. He come off. There's definitely a fish there, guys. Drucey's in. Can't hook them up. Maybe it's my cold hands letting me down. What's happening is, guys, because the wind's catching the boat, it's pushing us down really quick. The tide's taking us down as it is, and then with the wind, oh, that was a nice fish. There's loads of fish down there, guys. Absolutely loads. Seagulls are in front of us going mad. Bream slayer today. Loads of bites, just couldn't look on. You see that silver soon? Oh, it's a scad. That might be what's hitting it then, scad. They're not taking the hook. Anyway guys, we'll go up, hopefully get another. Fish on. Fish on, Cap. Right, stay up. We're going up for another drift. So guys, that wind's howling, it feels like it's about -50. And we're doing a little short shot drift here. We're going to see if we can still get them on the short drift. So hopefully we can pick up on some. I've got some more, we've got some scallop reels on at the moment. Wait for her to get down, wind down. Give her a bit of line. Well guys, after this drift, we're heading in, it's freezing. Drucey's nose is running, my hands are freezing, I can't feel my hands, I can barely turn on the ignition, so at least we managed to get you out a bit of Bream content, so we'll be starting on making our way in soon. Hopefully get a fish on this last drift. So guys, last drift, we're up here, rods are going down, I can barely move my fingers, they're like crippled. So yeah, at least we tried to get you some. We got some Bream, but not as much what we wanted, that's for sure. Hopefully we can pick up the last couple on this last drift. That's what we're hoping for. Fish on? Oh, Drucey's in. Drucey's in, guys. Bend on that. Oh, my hands! That's a scad. It's the scad, we don't mind the scad. Couple of scad around at the moment, guys. Drucey, we get one more, you watch. I can't catch one to save my life today. You in? Drucey's in. I said he'll go in. Right, that's me packing mine up.
Yeah, mate.
Unfortunately guys, I'll try to get you some content. It's been absolutely freezing. But we've had a few fish. That one off through. There she is. Right. Well guys, we're going to start making our way in now. It's absolutely freezing, like I said. The sun's starting to go down now, so yeah, unfortunately I'm not going to take you off the mount for the ride in, so you're going to have to enjoy the rear view of us going in on the boat. It'd be a little bit different from our usual going in, but my hands are too cold to hold the camera, so hope you enjoy the ride in, guys. Let's get going. So guys, that's another episode of Inglorious Fishing. Sorry about the tripping that I didn't get the filming like I normally would, but hands are that cold I could barely put the cover on the boat over there. So yeah, we had a few bream, few scab, which we're going to be using for the pots. Drucey's been kind enough to let me keep them, so we're going to be doing the pots in a couple of days, guys. So that'll be the last lobster video for the new year as well, so until the new year. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Don't forget to hit that, smash that like button if you liked it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. There's going to be plenty more fishing adventures like this, and we'll see you on the next one. Look, there goes Drucey, he's off. Anyway, we'll see you on the next one, guys. Like, subscribe, thanks for watching. It's Inglorious Fishing. See you next time.